Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Prostaglandin receptor. Prostaglandin D2 is GS coupled and the receptor name is DP receptor. PGE2 के लिए जो रिसेप्टर है EP1 क्यों लिंक्ड है, EP2 GS है, EP3 G क्यों भी है, GS दोनों है, और EP4 that is GS coupled. प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन I2 इसके लिए जो रिसेप्टर है that is IP रिसेप्टर एंड GS coupled. प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन F2 के लिए जो रिसेप्टर है that is known as FP रिसेप्टर एंड GQ coupled. थ्रोम्बोक्सिन A के लिए जो रिसेप्टर है that is TP रिसेप्टर एंड GQ coupled. If you want to really understand the biological actions of prostaglandin, please review the receptor videos. Once you get full the intracellular signaling of GS, GI and GQ, you may very easily understand the biological actions of prostaglandins. Number first biological action is action effect on smooth muscles. So TXA2, it causes vasoconstriction because this thromboxane A2 is coupled with इसका जो receptor है that is GQ, and GQ के लिए जो intracellular signaling है is activating phospholipase C and pipe 2, then IP3 DAG, and then stimulation of so many kinase enzyme, and then increasing calcium, and this increasing calcium causes contraction. So this thromboxane A2 having mitogenic effect, mean it causes cell division, mitosis, while the prostacyclin PGE2 and PGE1, this PGE2 is GS coupled and this PGE2 is GS or GQ, that is not confirmed still. These two prostaglandins they cause vasodilation. Now how they cause vasodilation, it need to be understood. This GS or GQ, both after intracellular signaling stimulating protein kinase. Now these protein kinase stimulating calcium gates at the surface membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. Once these gates are stimulated, these stimulated gates open and allowing the influx of calcium from the cytoplasm into the endoplasmic reticulum, means that these stimulated gates accumulating calcium in the cytoplasm, increasing the storage of calcium and decreasing the cytosolic calcium. Once the cytosolic calcium is decreased, there is vasodilation. There will be no contraction. This is one mechanism. Second, keep in mind this PGE2 and PGI2 and PGE2 cause vasodilation. The next mechanism is this protein kinase A producing EDRF, endothelial derived relaxing factor, or endothelin. Now इस एंडोथिलीन के लिए जो रिसेप्टर है दैट्स आर नोन एज ETB1, endothelin B1 receptor. This endothelin B1 receptor, it producing nitrous oxide or EDRF, endothelial derived relaxing factor, and these factor causes vasodilation.